Hello guys, I am Anand. This is the part 3 of IndiaWeek's problems on trains solutions. If you didn't watch the previous videos, the link will be given in the description. Please check it out. Now problem number 11. A 270 meters long train, 270 meters long train is running at a speed of 120 kmph, crosses another train running in the opposite direction. Another train is coming from this direction at 80 kmph, crosses in 9 seconds. What is the length of the other train? We know only one formula: distance equals to speed into time. Distance is 270 plus another length we don't know, let us assume d. Speed is, as both the trains are moving in the opposite direction, we need to add it. 120 plus 80, that is equal to 200. Units are in kmph, so we need to multiply with 5 by 18 into t. So 2, this is 500. 500 minus 270, that is equal to 230 meters. Option A. Next problem. A goods train runs at speed 72 kmph. It crosses a 250-meter long platform. 250-meter platform is there in 26 seconds. What is the length of the goods train? Length, let us assume L. Distance is length of the train plus bridge, that is equal to 72 into everything is in meters and seconds, so 5 by 80 into 26. This is 4 times, this is 20 into 26 is 520, so length is equal to 270 meters. Next problem. Two trains each 100 meters long, moving in opposite direction, crosses each other in 8 seconds. If one is moving twice as fast as other, let us assume one train speed is s, another one will become 2s, then the speed of the fastest train, that means 2s is equal to how much? Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is 100 plus 100, 200. Speed is, as both the trains are moving in opposite direction, s plus 2s, that is equal to 3s, into time is 8 seconds. So s equals to 238, that is equal to 25 by 3. This is in meter per second. We want answer in kilometer per hour, so we need to multiply with 18 by 5. 5 times 6, so 30 kmph. Option A. So sorry, we need to find out 2s, not s. 2s is equal to 60 kmph. Option C. Next, problem number 14. Two trains 140 meters and 160 meters run at the speed of 60 kmph and 40 kmph in opposite directions. The time in which they take to cross each other. So total distance they have to travel is 140 plus 160, that is equal to 300 meters. Time is in seconds, so this one 60 plus 40, 100 kmph, we need to convert into meter per second into time, 3 times, so t is equal to 54 by 5, that is equal to 10.8 seconds. Option D. A train 110 meters is running with a speed of 60 kmph. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 6 km per hour in different direction, 6 kmph? we need to find out the time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is 110 meters. Speed is, both are in opposite directions, so 60 plus 6, 66 kmph. We need to convert into meter per second into t. 11 table 10 times 11 table 6 3s are this 2 times t is equal to 6 seconds. If you like the content of this channel, please like it. Click on the like button. If you think that these videos will be helpful to your friends, please share to your friends. I'm going to create solution videos for aptitude problems on different topics from different websites, and after that I will create multiple choice questions on C and Python languages, and then I will create the coding problems based on the algorithms and data structures. If you want to see those videos also, please subscribe. Thank you.